Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your DualShock 4 controller to your Android phone so you can go ahead and use PlayStation Remote Play for your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So the first thing we're going to do is connect our controller to our phone, and this is really easy. What we want to go ahead and do is swipe into our phone, then using two fingers swipe down from the top, then locate Bluetooth. Now go ahead and hold that down, and it's going to go ahead and open up the Bluetooth page. If it's not already searching for Bluetooth connections, go ahead and press scan at the top. So it's currently searching for it. Now on your PlayStation 4 controller, go ahead and press the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time and hold it down for like 5 seconds until you see the light bar flash. That means your controller is in pairing mode, and you should see it pop up over here. Make sure you press scan if it's not already. So there's my PlayStation 4 controller. It just says wireless controller on my Android phone. So let's go ahead and connect it in its pairing. Make sure you press OK. So my controller is now paired with my phone. You can see a little highlight on the phone right now when I press up and down on the D-pad. Let's go back. So I can move around the screen right now. Now let's go ahead and get Remote Play on our phone. So locate the Google Play Store right here. Now let's go ahead and type in Remote Play. So it's right here, PS Remote Play. So I already have it installed. So it's literally called PlayStation Remote Play, PS Remote Play. Install it, open it up. So I am opening it up right now, and you'll have to sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. Let's go up to the settings section over here. So I'm already signed in, so go ahead and do that. So this is the new Remote Play application. It's a little bit different if you've used it in the past. You can go to video quality right here. And for the PlayStation 5, you can set a different quality versus the PlayStation 4. So I have mine set to 720p, and then I'm using the frame rate standard, so that I believe that's like 30 frames per second. The high is like 60 frames per second. But if your internet connection is suffering and you're going to disconnect a lot, make sure you lower this section right here. Otherwise, you're not going to have a good experience using this application. So, now let's go ahead and back out of this menu. You can go ahead and go to other connections if you're trying to connect with your PlayStation 5 or 4, vice versa. So, let's go ahead and connect to my PlayStation 4. Now, your PlayStation 4 needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi. Has to be in rest mode or turned on. So it should be able to find it if you're on the same network, if you're connected with the Wi-Fi on your phone. So make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi your PlayStation 4 is. Then let's go ahead and search for consoles or link manually. I'm just going to go ahead and press my PlayStation 4's name, and it's going to start connecting to the PlayStation 4. So it's already connected here. And you do have like on-screen controls on here, which works out pretty good. Now let's go ahead and back. So I am playing Call of Duty right now, and I'm going to go ahead and start up a just custom game. So now let's go ahead and press start. Now there is some latency. You're going to notice that when you're moving around. If you do notice more latency, drop those frame rates down a little bit. Drop that resolution down a little bit, and it should get a little bit better. But I have noticed this is getting a little bit better each update that it comes out. So before it was really bad. Now it's actually somewhat good. Alright, so I'm going to drop in on Call of Duty right now, and I'm just going to move around with my controller, and I'll show you exactly how it is, the latency. There is a little bit of latency. I can't tell too much, but it's definitely noticeable. Like if I snap real quick to someone, I'm going to overshoot the target most of the time, it seemed like. But I'm actually really impressed with this technology so far. At some point in the future, maybe in the next 5-10 years, there's going to be little to no latency, and you probably won't even notice it. But before, I couldn't even run around the map or do anything without way overshooting my target. This is actually really good now. I like it. So if I shoot it right up here, then whip around to the left and shoot at that window. I got a really slow gun. I don't know what this is, but go ahead and check out Remote Play. I've been using this in single-player games from the couch, just using the on-screen controls, and that's been actually really good. More competitive shooters like this, it's going to be not as great of an experience, but it's going to be doable. The cool thing is with remote play, you could be at a hotel with really good connection and connect to your PlayStation 4 when it's at your house. And you're going to be able to connect over the Wi-Fi and still play your PlayStation 4 games. So it's really, really cool, and the possibilities in the future are just going to expand more and more and more. And with the PlayStation 5 having like a better internet card, it's going to be much better with remote play than the PlayStation 4. So go ahead, get PlayStation Remote Play for your PlayStation 4, connect your DualShock 4 controller or the DualSense, and have some fun. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a like and thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.